Yo, it's your boy Larry, Midnight Chaos. Today, installing a few simple mods. Try to get a couple of horsepower out of this car. Let me show you guys what we got. The K&N drop-in filter. We'll go ahead and get this installed, and then we'll be taking this out and deleting this sound generator tube and installing the Perrin intake. So as y'all can see, I already kind of start taking this shit apart. You know, this is just a Phillips head, flat head here. This shit pops out pretty easy.
I think you were
Yeah, I was tripping.
overthinking it. It's all good. Moving on.
Yeah. So K&N is a little tight, but you know, you finagle it. Be alright. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna get this out.
There you go. Good job.
I'm not losing nothing.
Yeah, it's all good.
So next video we'll be detailing the engine bay. This shit's dirty as hell.
Hell yeah. Let's see that thumb. The index motherfucking work right there. Look at that.
Man, that's a big ass motherfucker. Oh. This little bitty part.
Hell yeah.
Fuck you, mosquito.
I know, bro. I've been getting tagged the whole time by mosquitoes. They're like just loving me right now because I'm not moving. We right here by this damn ivory.
Yeah, I trimmed all this shit back last week.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you you should.
Fuck yeah.
Dude,
I got fucking poison ivy from this shit.
Hell yeah.
I had a fucking
rash. Oh, all bad.
dude.
All bad.
How many times? Always dropping some shit down in the fucking engine bay.
Yeah, car life shit right
That shit
there.
will never be found.
Yeah, hopefully it hit the ground. Did it sound like it hit the ground?
It hit metal.
All right, do a push up. It's time to do push ups.
Yeah, so as y'all saw, man, we dropped one of these bolts down into the engine, so you know, just gonna move on. Of course, this shit look easier on YouTube when you watch motherfucker.
Right.
They just pull this shit right out.
Like, yeah, that's how you do it.
This motherfucker, this looks like a damn zip tie. No, it's not a zip tie. Shit.
Put your dick beater on it.
It's like I'm trying not to break the motherfucker.
I mean, you know, do you need it?
You see that motherfucker?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know where this is going. This is going
To the wall right there.
directly into the fucking chassis. Ooh.
Ooh, look at
You
that.
see that? Midnight Chaos fucking red tube channel.
Midnight Chaos red tube.
Oh, we got a clip here.
This is car porn.
Dude, what the fuck? This is another one of them damn clips.
Oh yeah, you just break that one. Or get your snips. Cut that motherfucking top off. Clip. Because it's like a zip tie.
You good?
We back. We cut it off, guys.
Brief, yeah, we just cut it off.
Yeah, we figured it out.
So, yeah.
Yeah, always keep some snips, baby. Or some dikes or whatever to cut shit or cut through anything. You know, always good to have.
Basically, it's got a tube to connect right here. You know, a couple of clamps and a little plug.
That's why I'm kind of shaky on the camera. Sorry about the shake, because I'm getting bit and I need to kind of kill. I need to kill a couple of them.
We out here for real.
I see them floating right in front of my face.
Just try to keep her on the ass.
Yeah.
So they can handle that shit. That's about a fucking, I don't know what that is.
I mean, that's super clean.
Yeah, it does really clean up the engine bay. Too bad my engine bay
Dirty
dirty as fuck.
right now. If you're still with us, if you haven't liked and subscribed, we would appreciate it. Hit that bell for notifications. And like, you're not too close to the edge. You want to be back on it. Yeah.
Check that out for me.
Oh shit. Yeah. It ain't just coming out. Yeah, do the same thing to the other one, and then we gonna get. Oh man, these mosquitoes are ridiculous.
Yeah, man. I hope y'all appreciate this. This shit is crazy.
Crazy. I almost can see them on the camera, bro. That's crazy.
Bruh.
They all right there. They all under the engine bay. I can see them.
Me too, bro. Shit like a nightmare.
Oh, he said. We should do this in the middle of the heat, boy. Sweating.
Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, man.
Please subscribe for the mosquitoes.
Get us some off mosquito spray.
Yeah, we need some mosquito
You know what
spray.
I'm saying?
Ooh.
So yeah, this is the Perrin Inlet tube, sound generator delete. Actually, I still gotta plug it, so I almost forgot about that. We got the K&N dropped in there. This is really close, so make sure when y'all tighten it up, just, you know, look at it and adjust, make sure you're clearing this belt. Other than that, it's pretty simple install. We got this knocked out in about, what, 30 minutes?
30 minutes. And what he was saying was he still haven't put in the plug for inside the chassis wall. So once you do that, then it'll be complete.
It's in there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I haven't tripped enough of it.
All right, guys. That was the install. Hope you guys take or get some good information out of that. Another note, if you're having problems with the clearance, we basically tightened it up and it was still really close, so we forced the whole thing forward and tightened it up some more, and then we got about 3/16 of a clearance off of there. So yeah, just like, you know, if you're worried about that. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna move, guys. There go the mosquitoes we were talking about, guys, right there. I'm telling you, they eat live. They on film. Hey, we gonna put starring mosquitoes. I literally just filmed one flying in the video, bro.
Oh my God.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.